Today we will cut metal, bend it, drill some holes and then make some welding. Hi, welcome to the episode number 8 to the playlist about restoration of our BMW 2002 in English. Today we will be making a new beam under the driver's feet. My dad made a template from cardboard according to the passenger side, because someone had already welded the beam on the driver's side in the past and it was damaged like this. Je to chrumkavé.
Pěkně upečený. A ten nosník ještě udělám. Když už jsem tady.
He transfers the shape from the cardboard to the sheet metal. Here you can see the beam bent. And here is the beam welded. He divided the beam into several parts and we will show the beginning of production of the other part. Here you can see the lines where the bends will go. He cuts the edges a little bit so he can see better when bending. Test fit with pliers. First, he drills out the spot welds. Then he cleans the inside of original beam and paints it with weird corrosion inhibitor. He again made a template for the top part of the beam out of paper. He only holds the sheet metal for testing with pliers, and when he knows that it fits, he can draw and drill holes. He again used Normfest Lux Plus, which you already know from previous episodes. If you are enjoying this series, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you are new here, here is a playlist with all episodes about this car in one place. And more coming soon, because in next part, my dad will continue in the body repairs and makes another repair panel from scratch.